Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on Expert. To start, focus on your hand positioning. Keep your fretting hand relaxed and ready to move quickly across the 5 colored buttons. Your strumming hand should be precise, hitting the strum bar only when a note passes. Begin with songs that have a slower tempo to get comfortable with the Expert note charts. This foundational practice is essential before tackling more complex tracks. Once you have the basics down, it is time to master advanced techniques. Hammer-ons and pull-offs are vital for playing fast note streams without strumming every single note, saving your energy. Learn to deploy star power at opportune moments, especially during sections with many notes, to significantly boost your score. Additionally, developing a consistent alternate strumming technique will allow you to hit rapid note sequences with greater speed and accuracy, pushing your performance to the next level. Effective practice is the cornerstone of expert play. Use the game's practice mode to isolate and repeatedly play difficult sections of songs until you can consistently hit every note. Start at a slower speed and gradually increase it, perhaps by 5 or 10% at a time, to build your reaction speed. Always concentrate on the rhythm and timing. Hitting notes precisely in sync with the music is more important than just hitting them. Finally, your mindset is crucial for conquering expert difficulty. Be patient with yourself. Mastering these skills takes time and consistent effort. Avoid gripping the guitar controller too tightly, as a relaxed hand and wrist will prevent fatigue during long play sessions. Regular, consistent practice, even for just 20 or 30 minutes daily, will yield far better results than infrequent marathon sessions. Enjoy the journey to becoming a Guitar Hero expert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.